Baking soda benefits. 10 surprising uses beyond the kitchen. Discover surprising uses of baking soda beyond the kitchen with these 10 innovative ideas. Number 1. DIY deodorant for a natural alternative. Number 2. Baking soda relieves insect bites and stings. Number 3. Freshen breath with a homemade toothpaste. Number 4. Clean fruits and vegetables effectively. Number 5. Unclog drains with a baking soda solution. Number 6. Remove stains from clothing and upholstery. Number 7. Baking soda can exfoliate skin for a smoother complexion. Number 8. Neutralize odors in shoes and carpets. Number 9. Baking soda is used to polish silverware and jewelry. Number 10. Baking soda enhances the fluffiness of omelets. Do you agree? Help out others by sharing your experience. Comment below.